In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Facebook keep stopping problem. If your Facebook app keeps on stopping, then the first thing you want to do is close the app completely. For that, exit out of the app. Open your app switcher and swipe Facebook off of your screen. Now launch open Facebook and check if your issue is fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to do is clear apps cache. For that, tap and hold on the Facebook app, then tap on this app info button. Now you want to scroll down and tap on storage. Here, tap on the option of clear cache, then head back. Now tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Once that is done, launch open Facebook and check. Next thing you want to do is update the app to the latest version. For that, open Play Store or App Store. Now you want to tap on the search bar and here search Facebook. If you find an update option, simply tap on that and update the app to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs within the app. Now tap on the open option and check if your issue is fixed. If not, then lastly you want to uninstall the app. Go ahead and tap on the uninstall option. After you have uninstalled it, reinstall again from Play Store or App Store. Then once you have reinstalled it, this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.